Hi guys, I've got a new painting video for you. I'm not saying build video because nothing to build here. These are 3D printed figures. My friend printed them on his new 3D printer. My knowledge about printers is very limited, but I do know there are budget category printers which are uses filaments to print. The printer melts the filament and builds up the printed object layer by layer. The finished model kit's surface will never be so smooth by using budget printers as the injected model kits have, but I think it is very interesting to experiment with them, and this is what I'm planning to do now. What you see on the workbench is R2D2 from the film Star Wars and the small Buddha statue. My friend with the printer gave me instructions how I should paint these figures. With R2D2 I can be more creative. He gave me freehand. But the small Buddha must be painted to gold. I don't know why. Maybe golden Buddhas brings luck? Someone who knows the answer, write it to me in the comment section. But now let's roll the painting music. The bigger part of the painting job is done. Now it's time to detailing R2D2. The little Buddha is base coated and I will paint it gold when I finish R2D2. Both figures are finished, and it's time to introduce them. As I remembered in the Star Wars film, R2D2 always hung out with the golden guy. Maybe someday I will paint C3PO too. I'm looking forward to do it. But this video ends here. Thank you for watching.